No matter how bad the floods are, we always have the ability to cook. Good food is always necessary and you have to cook, but you need the tricks to cook. A rice cooker always is one of the best handy tool to have if you are stuck in a flood. No matter how much you like bread, rice is always a savior, but in small quantities. Floods, 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 floods. So this is my survival pack. Rice cooker with rice, eggs, tin food, bread, tomato, coffee powder, onion, garlic, lentil, cooking oil, salt, pepper and bushels coffee essence. So floods, floods, floods and floods. Flooding? Forget it. Good morning. Lovely morning breaky. Pretty good. Simple water supply. Looking good. Time for day of fish hook. Only cucumber. Some lemon. Wow. Gee, see, I'm just flooded, Mike. Just flooded. There is no chance to get out of this place. OMG. 2012 floods in the Cooper Basin and 2022 floods again, but this time it is Toowoomba.